Witchpeace craft. Welcome to April the 15th. It is time for showcasing our second book in our make-along, Book Buddy AU. Our first book on the 1st of April was a cute little book called The Koala Stole My Undies. Did you check out the ABC story time and listen to the little story? It was only a couple of minutes long to get an idea about the book. And did you enjoy it? I think it was quite cute and funny, a bit cheeky, and kids love it. My project. Well, I double dipped. For Wheelie Wednesday, we had to make an animal using the color grey, wearing clothes. And I made a koala in overalls. Ta-da! This is an Instagram pattern. It's a free pattern. Sorry, I can't remember the name, but I'll definitely put it in the description below. I've made this before, and the first time I've taken one to market, the first one I made was one of the first items to sell. But what I did was to double dip. I decided it's the koala that stole my undies, so my koala has got some undies on his head. Ta-da! And it'll go with the book. And I will start pairing these up for a market as book buddies with a little toy and the book and see how they go. I am a little tired and a little vague because I did a big market on Sunday, and I mean it was big in that it was hot and long. And I will do a market video. I have started it, but I need to finish it off. I just thought I'd get this done because I know how keen everyone is to see what the next book is. I have received some photos for this month, and I'll do a slideshow at the end of the month when we have both books out on the 1st of May. So, what did I decide for the 15th of April? Well, with it being a koala stole my undies, I thought we'd stick to sort of an Australian theme. And I've decided on Are You a Wildlife Warrior by Bindi Irwin. Bindi Irwin is the daughter of Steve Irwin, the crocodile hunter, who sadly passed away very young. The family own Australia Zoo, and they use Australia Zoo for conservation, environment, all the things to do with taking care of the planet and saving animals, whether it's field animals or the ocean. Now this is a really good little book. This is supposed to be Bindi and her daughter Grace holding koala. In the background you've got a rhino and some giraffe. It's very green and yellow in color throughout, and on YouTube there is story time with Bindi walking you through this book by reading it to you. So there's just lots of animals in there. So let me see my notes. So take a walk on the wild side and uncover your inner conservationist when you step inside Australia Zoo and see what nature has to offer. There are lemurs, rhinos, kangaroos, and of course crocodiles. So it's quite a cute story. It's got lots of information, pictures. Like I said, main colours throughout are green because of saving the planet and keeping it green. You've got birds and pictures of crocodiles, kangaroos, giant tortoise, or some people call a land turtle, which is not really true. It is a tortoise. You've got meerkats and all sorts of cute animals. So if you want to make a plushie or something that you can sell on at your market, this is a great inspiration. Just pick an animal, especially an endangered species. It's always good to promote an endangered species. See, we've got whales in the ocean because they talk about going out in the ocean, feeding baby birds and looking after injured animals. And we did have a lot of injured animals, a lot of koalas. We lost quite a lot of koalas during a bushfire. I'll put a link up here somewhere right at the end to the video I did on that and why we should look after the planet. There is a story in the background of Steve Irwin and his family, and yes, he married an American girl. And look, love them or hate them, there is no doubt that the Irwins have done a lot for conservation, wildlife management, taking care of the planet, and you have to admire them for sticking to that and continuing on their father's legacy. I think Bindi was around 5 years old and Robert was a toddler, around 2, I think, when he passed away. And he did pass away here, just up the road, about an hour, in Port Douglas. He was swimming with stingrays and he got a stingray barb, a few stings in the chest, and they're deadly. Trust me, people think it's funny when they're standing out in the water, in the ocean, fishing, and there's stingrays swimming around flapping their tail. It's not funny because it's quite dangerous. But yes, there was quite a bit of information around town on what had happened to him, but at the end of the day, he was far too young and he was doing something he loved. So there's our book, Be a Wildlife Warrior. So to get inspired, why not go around your area, the habitat, the parks, look at what animals are there, and maybe base your project on that. You can do squares with animals or even flowers. Bookmarks with flowers are always a good thing to do, because a lot of these photos, there's wildflowers in the paddocks. And what else could you do to get inspired? I don't know, visit a zoo. I have never been to Australia Zoo. I've never been in, oh well, if I've been in that area, it's been for work and I've been too busy. But, you know, one day, you never know, we may pay a visit to Australia Zoo. So make sure you check out Bindi's story time on this book so you get an idea what it's about. And let me know what inspires you. Leave some positive comments. Give this video a thumbs up. It always helps the channel to get comments and videos. And I don't seem to get a lot of those. But anyway, let me know. And don't forget to send your photos. Post them to me. I'll put them in a slideshow. You can post them on Instagram or in the Facebook group with the hashtag BookBuddyAU. I hope you're enjoying this, and I hope you're sharing the story time with your children, your grandchildren, your neighbors' kids. I really like the thought of children actually reading a book rather than being on an iPad or a device and exploring nature. I think it's really great to get them outside. Anyway, guys, just a brief video for BookBuddyAU. Get out there and have some fun. Until next time, take care, stay well, and check out your environment. Bye for now.